You have to take a paper and cut it like a strip. We have to going to do a small bouquet. So the paper you have to zigzag like you can hold it correctly. Zigzag like neatly have to hold one by one correctly that paper upside down, likewise hold it. If holding time should not come big and small size. Next, at last you can do correct hold camera like this, check it. Now you do the going to cut the paper. How you can going to cut, you see. First you can all the paper joined and the remaining paper cut it. Now you take the stapler pin and put it at the end of the paper and press it strongly. Then only all the paper join and put the stapler pin. After stapler pin, you going to cut the corner like a flower petals. Like a flower petals going to cutting time, you can cut like neatly. Should not cut wrongly. See, I have cutted the paper. Next, the paper side, one side you can apply a dry gum. Because of you are going to join this end to next side end, you can go into paste. This is a little tough for you, so you can try many more time this one. Some more flour, take it and do it. Then only it will be easy. See, when joining time, the first petal and last petal correctly should be joined. It won't be joined neatly because of it. You can pull the paper properly and join it. Now press the last petal and end petal, first petal and the end petal. You can press it nicely and one little second and little minutes you can keep wait for drying. Now the one flower are over. Now I have finished many flowers. On the flower you can going to paste a small circle or small shining beads, any in your choice. That way you can paste it on the flower. Then only the flower inside the holding will hide. Now you take a blue color or any size of any color of paper and join it like the bouquet set. Already you will see many bouquet. So like that you can see that how I apply the gum, the corner alone and joined it one side. That's all. Now this side you can press it lightly. Now you need a flower strip for the flower stem. That stem already I have cut, so now I pasting one by one. How many flowers you going to paste, that one decide it, and you can paste that much strip. 5 flower going to paste means 5 stripes you can paste it. Now you can start to paste. See, when you are pasting, some arrangement need. See, I arrange in time, some flowers are coming out, the stem is coming out, So that is difficult to do you. So somehow I getting the difficult. You can see the stem is some long. So when you are pasting time, stem paper should not be come out. Now after finishing pasting the flower, you can paste down a small ribbon. With a small red color paper itself, you cut it, or else a signing sheet. You can take it and put telephone tab. That one you can pin it or paste it. That is your choice. I have pinning. When I pinning time, it's coming out. See the difficult I have getting. It's coming down. So I put in the stapler pin. At last you can paste a signing sheet, or you can paste a stone. A big stone.